Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you don't know by now, I am your host, Sonia. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing to the channel. So guys, we're just gonna get into it. I am really exhausted. I'm just gonna bring you guys along. I'm gonna have me a cup of coffee here in a minute. And do you guys remember these Archway cookies? I'm gonna be having those. And I'm gonna be having me a cup of regular coffee. Actually, I think I'm going to be having some, this is what I'm having some Folgers Nor Smoky Midnight. Tastes really good. So basically guys, I'm just gonna show y'all some stuff, some updates and all that good stuff, because I think the last video you seen, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna just show y'all some fall stuff, where I put some stuff, some things that I just bought in here, and let me know what you think. So the first thing we're gonna do is, I'm gonna turn y'all around. Here is the fall decor for the door. Isn't that pretty how I incorporated those colors? So I put that there. And then out here I hung the autumn sign, and I just added a little foliage to it. Isn't that pretty, the little color? Then guys, over here, this is where I put that beautiful flower, because I took those flowers out of the other one and put them around the door. So this is where I put the flower. That looks so cute. And then this is new, guys. This is oh, what happened? This is a velvet pumpkin from Goodwill. If you see, it's like $1 or something. So these are just some of the things that I found like over a week or two or something. This is a, if you guys can see, it's a really nice wooden, it actually came from Big Lots, but let me see if I can take that off. And this is that candle from that haul that I showed y'all. So yeah, this was actually $1, y'all, because $1.50 or something like that. But this is actually like, if you guys see at the bottom was Big Lots, it was actually 12, and it's really wood. Got a little gold on it. So set that here on the table, like so. So that's what that looks like. Guys, I did DIY this again. I removed the blue, the navy blue, and I took it from on that wall, guys, and put it over here. And let me see. I know y'all like, Sonia, what are you doing? She's just like moving stuff. Oh, let me tell y'all something. This mirror here is going to be, somebody's gonna buy this. I know my daughter gave it to me. I don't want it. It's just really too big and it's taking up some floor space. So guys, look what I found. Do y'all see what I found? Big one, huge one. $29 from Burlington Coat Factory. So I took the other one back, y'all. This thing is big and it's real metal. So that's what it is. It's a modern wall mirror. $29, like I said. I took the other one back. So basically this cost me $10 because the other one was almost $20 and I just had to put some money with it. So really it was $10 for this. And then the basket situation, guys. I took the baskets back because y'all already know, I'll tell you in a minute, but I bought this one from Ross for $13. And I'm able to put all three of my throws, this new one here, remember this one, and this one, and this one. So I was able to put all those there. So the reason for that is because, think about it, guys. 3 of those baskets means I have to, let me shut this door. With all 3 of those baskets, the one big one in the front room, and then one in the bedroom, and then one in the back room. The one that was in the bedroom was really small, so it really didn't like have a purpose for it to be there. And that means I'm gonna have to go to the store and fill it up with blankets, and I don't want to do that, you guys. I want to have a clean concept here in the home. I don't want the house to be cluttered. I don't. It'll drive me crazy. So yeah, let me show you something else that you guys, oh, here is the beautiful, yeah, we are awfully bright here. Okay, that's more like it. Here is how that looks. You guys like that? I think it looks good. Like I said, it is a couple of pieces, but they all grew together, so it's one big statement piece, and that's what I like. This is new here. I absolutely love this piece of wood, and it has, I'm propagating a piece of marble marble head. So yeah, once it's rooted a little bit more, I'll be putting it, transferred it into something else. And then over here, this is what that looks like, guys. That's where I put this thing here, and you guys remember that I ended up spray painting that. Let me see, I put the clock over here instead of it being right there. And then over here, guys, everything is kind of the sorry about that, everything is kind of the same. I just wanted like just, you know, minimal. And then over here I found this, and I spray painted it black matte, cleaned it out real good. It was like $1, and it actually is a pepper grinder. I think it's really, really cute. So I set that right there. And oh y'all, I forgot all about my coffee. Hold on one second, y'all. Can't forget about the coffee, guys. I can't forget about the coffee, especially the creamer. I can't drink my coffee without no cream. I'll see how you guys do it. And then I'm gonna be having one of these oatmeal raisin archway, old school, y'all, old school. So I'm gonna take y'all back here, and I'm gonna show y'all some other updates in the back here, so I can end this video. So y'all let me know what y'all think. I am very, very happy. Very, very happy about the scores I've been receiving. Oh my God, it's too bright. Hold on. The scores I've been receiving. Why didn't y'all say something? Say something we can't see, so that's why we ain't say nothing. But anyway, guys, let me know about this beautiful mirror. What do y'all think? Oh, here is something new too, guys. I got this French book home. From Savers, was it yesterday? I got this from Savers yesterday, guys. I didn't really actually know. Look at this book, how much it costs. This is from Anthropology, y'all. It's $29. I paid half price, so it was $2. This is a really nice book. So basically, it has a lot of nice pictures here, like home decor. I like it, just simple stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna leave that here. And I'm gonna set something on there. All right, let's get back into the video. So I just wanted to show y'all that. And coffee is so good. So back here, let me shut the door. Hopefully you guys will be able to see. I'm gonna turn this light on. Okay, guys, this is new. I absolutely love it. It's a beautiful wool pile rug. Got it from Roses last week. The colors are like gray, black, beige, and it's 100% wool pile. And if you're wondering, this is the size of it, and that is the brand of it, 100% wool pile, if you can see. So that's new, guys, by the door, and it is actually so super warm, so warm. So I'm done with the thing here. I'm just gonna I gotta get another picture frame for that, because I'm gonna get rid of this mirrored frame. And here is the black that I finished on here, guys. And let's see what else. Oh, like I was saying, there's no mirror here right now. So what I'm gonna do, like I said, is I'm gonna get another mirror, hopefully pretty soon, a gold one that's like the black one, and switch them out, put the black one here or the gold one there. We'll figure it out. So yeah, this is quite done. And then, guys, I got this from Roses when I bought the rug. This is some essential oil. It smells really, really good. And it was $2. They have discount day on Wednesday. So last Wednesday, this was a deal. Then I got this big candle for, this is the scent of it, Susan Jacobs Cinnamon Orange Claw. And it was, hold on, guys. It was $2.99. It ended up being $2.50. It smells really, really good. So the whole thing I'm gonna do with this is actually, once I put this mirror in here, I'm gonna just go ahead and set this here, because I am gonna light this. So that's how that's gonna look on top of the, so right now we're gonna just do it like that. And once this is burnt out, I'm gonna keep it, because as you can see, it has a really pretty print on it. And it also has that pretty print, I don't know if you guys will be able to see, on the glass itself. It's so pretty. So that's where this is going to be stationed. And then let me show you guys real quick. I had to turn the camera on because I can't let y'all see my bedroom yet, because the bedroom is going to get, I'm waiting on a couple of things, and then I'll show you the bedroom. So in between time, y'all gonna have to wait, but I'm going to show you really quick what I did with the canvas, okay? So hold on tight. Let's go see. Okay, guys, I can't show you where the canvas is, so I'm just gonna show you how that looks. So let me know what you think. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Probably, I don't know, just probably some more updates, or maybe the bedroom, I'm not sure. But I just wanted to show you guys the canvas and how it turned out. So yeah, I'll see you guys. Yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed everything, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and thumbs up this video. Bye, guys. I love you all. Have a wonderful day. And then also remember, love yourself so that you will love others. So this world will be a much better place. Y'all, look at these nails. Look at these nails. I actually would really want to paint them, but I don't know. But I'll see you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.